Hey, how's it going? You got Lanai with another edition of Wikibites. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tulip cabbage dish. I'm just going to get a can of tulip, and I'm going to use half a can for this one. I'm just going to cut them in cubes, like this. I'm going to preheat my pan, because I'm going to fry this with some cabbage. A little bit of olive oil. Get my tulip in the pan. And then I'm going to put some onions. And I'm just going to saute that until it gets all nice and caramelized. You know, when you grow up in Hawaii and you grew up on the plantation, this was a really go-to dish because it was simple and easy. You can do tulip with cabbage, you can do tulip with green beans, you can do it with any kind of vegetable, but this is one of the popular ones. Now I'm going to add some cabbage. I just chopped up some. And you want to do maybe 3 or 4 handfuls. You don't want to put too much. You want to go half and half about. And this is the secret sauce. You want to do about 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. You don't need a lot. This is going to go a long way. And then I'm just going to do some green onions. And we're just going to cook this down. And there you go. You're just going to let that cook down. Let it wilt a little bit. I like my cabbage a little al dente. And that's it. Tulip and cabbage. Oh no.